What's happening today?
Flat tire.
Flat tire. What are you talking about? Oh my God. Very good. Nosotros vamos. What can we do? Okay, we call the mechanic. We call mechanic.
You gonna pay for it?
You have to.
You pay for it.
You cannot drive like that.
Yeah, you can pay for it. Yeah.
Okay, I pay. Okay, I pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change it and you call the mechanic.
You are going to change it? You are a lady. What are you talking about?
Seriously, I swear. All of these generations, I think 3 last generations, you're all gonna die when all of this happens because you can't do anything for yourself.
No, this is something technique. It's dangerous.
This is part of your car. Okay, this is like part of your house. I mean, you use this every day. You shouldn't be able to do regular maintenance. What if you're on the side of the road?
You could get an electric shock.
What if you're on the side of the road in Albania? What are you gonna do?
Should.
Who are you gonna call?
You
You're
could.
gonna wait for a donkey to come by?
You could get an electric shock.
No, you're gonna wait for a donkey to come by? And then hitch a ride on a donkey?
Okay. If that's the case, I do it. Okay. You tell me how to do.
Do you know how to do it?
I don't. Okay. You instruct.
How about I show you how?
You instruct. Yeah. You show me, and I do the labor.
Can you do labor?
I do
Everyone
the.
said, oh, he's a violinist, violin maker. He shouldn't risk his hands. Ooh.
I use my feet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
His delicate hands. He's got do you have baby hands? Like Trump?
No,
Leave
no,
that
no.
in there. Leave that in there.
Trump's hands is better
No,
than
he's
mine.
got baby hands.
No, Trump's hands are better than mine. Okay.
He's got baby hands. Okay. Do you know what are we gonna do? Do you know?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever seen anyone break down and like what they're doing?
They call the mechanic.
Everybody?
I would.
You would,
Yeah.
if you're on the side of the road.
Yeah. Call insurance company.
And how long do you think it would take for them to come out?
It's only a couple of hours.
Only a couple of hours?
Yeah.
You want to see how fast we can get it on the road?
You show me.
You want to see? This is just my tire pressure gauge from a couple weeks ago.
But if you get an electric shock,
Electric shock from a tire?
yeah,
Is my car running? The car is not
you
running.
never know which is linked with which.
You don't know? You never know?
This.
I know. Do you want me to tell you? The tire's not linked to the electrical system.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay, good.
But tire has an alarm system linked with alarm system.
Maybe in some fancy cars. I
You
don't
know,
know, but not in mine.
If someone steal the tire, the alarm system will work.
So wait, do you know what are we gonna do? We're gonna use the spare tire. Do you know where the spare tire is? Do you know what a spare tire is?
I know. It's here.
You mean here? You should show yours first. Yeah, you should show his first because actually
You don't have
I
actually.
gain weight,
Yeah,
but it
you don't
stays
have.
in
Yeah, you don't have.
hourglass.
I see. I couldn't hold anything.
You try.
I tried.
It's like,
So there's no spare tire. How can you replace this? You don't have a spare tire.
come here. I'm going to show you something secret.
Okay.
Where I normally have plants, which are the only thing that matters in life.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Nothing.
This is the protector for my plants to keep my plants safe from having to touch a car.
Okay.
My plants don't want to touch a car.
Oh, you have a secret garden. Secret garden. Oh my God. Nothing. I win.
Really?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah, nothing. Oh, I see something here. But this tire looks very small.
It's a spare tire. This is just to get it over to the mechanic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. We're gonna take the flat one off. Put it on the side.
Yes.
Put this one on. Go to the mechanic, to the garage.
Yes.
Have them fix the flat tire. Hopefully they can fix it, and it's not like on the side on the wall. Hopefully it's just on the tread. And then they'll put the fixed one back on and put the spare away.
Okay, let's do it.
For another day.
Let's do it.
But it's important to know that the spare tire, because it's not a full-size tire, you do not drive very long on this. This is just for emergency to get to a garage. And you do not go on the highway if you can help it. If you're on the highway, don't go above 50 miles per hour. Very important.
Okay, I repeat. Drive short distance, not on the highway.
Yeah.
If you have to, drive slowly.
Yes.
Good.
Yep.
Okay. Now, let me do the work. I mean,
Okay,
this
you
is
see
heavy.
what this is here?
I don't.
Okay, this is the jack. So this, we're going to put this jack over here. There's a special spot. And then we're going to lift the car up about an inch.
Well, lift it out first.
No, actually what you need to do first is take this piece.
Don't hit me.
This is a lug wrench. I'm tempted sometimes. Tell you.
Wow.
Okay? First,
Yeah.
we're just going to loosen this one turn on each bolt while it's still on the ground.
Okay.
Just one turn.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will like get easier to lose it
Exactly,
later.
because
Yeah.
if we lift it,
It's move. It
It'll
moves.
move.
Yeah. Okay.
okay? So we're
Okay.
just going to do the tightest one first. Do you want to do it?
I do. Yes.
Okay, and loosening is counterclockwise.
Just turn. One turn, right?
Counterclockwise, one turn each.
Which way? On this side.
Counterclockwise. Which way does a clock turn?
This way.
So you want to do the opposite.
Opposite.
I think in Asia and Europe they say anti-clockwise.
Oh God.
Yeah, because these are put on with a special pneumatic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Moment.
Careful. Wow.
Okay. I did it.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe you should put better shoes on.
Yeah.
So you don't slip. Okay, that one's good.
Okay.
Move on. Okay.
From this side.
That's good.
I told you I do it by feet.
Yeah. Yeah. Next one.
So I wasn't joking.
I know.
I said seriously. My feet works much better than my hands. Okay.
Uh-huh. Good.
See? It's a lot of
That's
fun.
good. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Who needs a gym?
You need to get Hemingway to write a book about Tom Sawyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, you have to give me
That's it.
candy. I will let you do it. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, not this one.
You can do it. Is it on all the way? There we go. Here it comes. Yeah, it's because in the mechanic shop they have a pneumatic.
Machine.
Yeah, a pneumatic one with a certain PSI.
Yeah.
That's why when we have, you know, when they put on the new one, you want to make sure that it's done by a professional so that it's tightened to this proper
Yeah. Okay, now
PSI. Okay.
I'm losing it.
Okay. Now, do you know what you're doing?
I don't.
Wait. Here. Okay. Hey, don't guess. Wait, stop. No, not yet. We're not doing anything yet. Please get a brick and put it underneath the back of the driver's side front tire.
Okay. So you bring this in.
Yes, because we're on a slight angle. Okay. Now the rule is that whatever tire you're taking off, you just shore up the tire across from it. No, you don't have to. You can if you want. But the rule is, because sometimes you don't have these things available, you're going to put it, because it's this tire where we're going to put the jack, we're going to put a brick on the other side front tire.
This side.
So whatever side you want to do the opposite and across.
Okay, should I do one more? On which side?
You can,
Just do both sides.
you can just do both sides in the front because of the angle. But you don't need more than one there. You just need one. Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Now, wheel.
Okay. All right, now under here, there's going to be a spot. It will be shown by some dots or something like that. You should be able to look under and see. Let me look under. Can you hold this?
Yeah, just a minute. I have to load down this.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I won't get
So you kind of know what you're doing.
the basic things, but I don't do it.
Oh.
Because other people need to make money, make a life, make a living.
Yeah, but you're...
How about everyone teaches violin?
But the thing is, you say everyone needs to make a living, but you know that you would rather save the money. If you're able to do it, you'd rather save the money, correct?
No.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't. I don't want everyone to teach you violin.
And this is where my gardening things come in.
Okay.
Violin takes years and years and years. I know, because I play too. It takes years to perfect, and dedication and passion. Otherwise, it's not going to work. But doing this takes a few minutes. It really doesn't take years to learn how to do this.
Okay.
Or passion, just the need. Okay, I'm going to use my gardening pad.
Okay.
Because I'm always prepared. Because who wants to do this on concrete? Okay, we're just going to look under here.
Oh, you are sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice position.
And I believe here, I think it's right here. So we're gonna look, or maybe, oh, it's right here. There are 3 dots. Boom, boom, boom. You see them punched in? Yeah. So we're gonna put it up there.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be like that. So when it goes up, it's reinforced here, where these 3 dots are.
Okay. I make sure it is there.
Okay. On trucks, there tends to be an actual little plate, a plate that sticks out. That's what I was looking for.
Okay.
Because I haven't changed one on here before. Do you want to do this?
You do a little bit until it is touched.
You should always keep your user's manual in your glove box. If you don't have one because your vehicle's used, you can order one, or you can download the PDF usually and print it out. You should always have it though, or have access to it like on your phone.
Okay.
Okay? Because it makes life a lot easier if you have an emergency. Okay?
Okay. Now I do it.
Alright. You can use my pad, I'll let you. Take that. Now that hooks on.
Hooks on?
That hooks onto that one. No. Look, yeah, there you go. You got it. And it's going to give you some extra torque. Because this is a heavy vehicle. Okay, we only need to take it up about 1 inch. So the tire's about 1 inch off the ground. We don't want to go crazy high. I think we should be able to do it now, because the tire's flat.
No.
You can.
I need it higher.
Do you? Okay. There it goes.
I need it all up to the air.
I think I may need a new tire.
Okay.
That's good. That's good. Plenty. Stop.
Now you
He's
film
got
here.
a lot.
I have a space.
There's too much clearance, dear.
Okay.
That's too much.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Take them off. Yeah. You got it. Take it easy. Now put that aside.
Make sure
don't
all
lose it.
those things are there.
Yes, like violin making. You
Yeah.
keep
This
track of
I'm
these
good.
things. Yeah,
Hands.
keep track of these things. And I know my car is old and has a few dings, but please don't ding it anymore. I do love it.
Okay.
It's a lovely car. And even though I like your truck a lot, it's cool and it's up high, you know. I felt weird taking it to school today because I like my little around town zoom zoom. But the heater works good. Go
Okay.
chase
Make
it.
sure all your tools are together.
Yes.
Okay. Then you take this out very nicely.
Oh, there we go. Look at him. Lay it down. Oh.
Oh.
Let me see. Don't take it out. Let's see what it looks
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
Oh, what even is that? Can you tell? Leave it and we'll take it to the mechanic like that.
This is something very. It's like rock.
See, it's like so
Rock.
sharp. It's huge.
It's rock.
I felt it, but I couldn't see that, you know? There was no avoiding that. Just put it on the side. No, lay it down so that it doesn't, we don't have to chase it. Yeah, we just don't want to have to chase it. Okay, now, hold on. Gonna get the spare out. Okay. Hang on. Gonna move that. Yeah, there you go. You got it. You're good at this. You gonna change my oil next?
No. I can't do that. I need
You can actually if we... Oh, we do have one of those bigger jacks that came with the house. We could jack it up and change the oil. That's actually pretty easy. Look at him.
I'm a violinist.
Yeah, but you know what? Everyone has tires that go flat, including violinists. Does it say anything on it? Okay, now look at the nuts and look at the holes. Now line them up. And you can kind of put it on gently, and if you need to, from the top one first, and then wiggle them in. There we go. Is it nice and flat?
Yes.
Okay, now, there's a certain order that you tighten these.
Okay.
Okay? I'm gonna... How can I hold this and show you? No,
If you cannot.
yeah. I need to show you, because you don't just do these willy-nilly. You do them in a certain order.
Okay. I put it on first. Okay.
Okay.
We need to be there.
And it needs to be nice and flat. Once you need to make sure it's on there good, not all wonky.
Oh, the screw is good. So you just tell me which one is which one.
Where your hand is now, that one gets tightened first.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Now it's tight already.
More tightened. There you go. That's what you're supposed to do if it's not sitting flat, and it wasn't
Okay,
sitting flat.
So one.
Now, right across up.
This one? This
No,
one?
that one.
Okay.
That's number 2.
There's older.
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Straight down.
This one.
That one. 3.
Wow. It hurts.
Up
This
into, yes, that one. You're getting it. You're understanding the pattern.
Oh my God.
Kind of in a star pattern. Okay? And now you're gonna, and now you're gonna tighten them up with the lug wrench in
no,
the same.
It's tight enough.
No,
My hands are very strong.
no, they're not that strong. You're not Hancock.
Okay.
Are you Hancock? No. What was the order?
This one first.
You did no down.
This
That one. Silly.
This one first.
Yes.
Okay. This
Good.
one.
Now across. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Okay.
Oh, can't do
Now
it.
that's good. Then
Okay. then-
down, bottom. You just do it as tight as you can. The mechanic can get it off.
Okay.
Okay, now up top. Did you do, no, over one.
This one?
Yeah.
Done.
Okay, yeah. Okay, it's for safety reasons. People might say, "Oh, you don't have to," but you know what? Why fight it? Just do it in the order. It's not going to hurt you. Okay? Now, we need to take it back down. You need the lug wrench again, dear.
How about the air?
This should already be
So you put air
set.
in?
Here. Oh. I didn't put air in. It has air in it. It's a spare tire. Okay? Yeah, you need that again. And you...
To lose it.
Yep. There you go. Good job. Okay. See? That's plenty of air. Alrighty. Hang on. Ooh. Okay.
We just put them back and
We can put these things in.
and just tie it.
Okay. Be careful. Don't break the plastic piece that holds. There's a plastic piece that holds the spare in. Take it out. Take it out.
Take what out?
Hold this. Take that piece out. I don't want it broken. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Violinist. Hands of a violinist.
You should have worn gloves. Are you afraid to get dirt on your hands?
No. I don't want to get dirt on the gloves. Then I have to wash the gloves.
No, they're
It's
work gloves, dear.
It's easier to wash your hands. And the hands are free. Gloves cost money.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I can put that in the back seat. The back seat. I don't want the.
Okay.
Do you want to go to the same guy?
No, it's up to you.
I saw over the holidays they have like this stack of tires, and they put Christmas lights around it to make it like a tree.
Okay.
And so that's why I remember them.
Okay.
So their little marketing worked. And they have their tire tree.
Oh, this is a tire shop.
Well, we'll see. I think they do other stuff. So I'm just gonna pull up here and go talk to the dude. Because he's looking at me like, huh? We have one of these jacks in the garage.
Oh, big one.
Yeah, big one.
Okay. Where are the stairs?
The spare is on right now. And the flat's in the back.
By the way, we make YouTube videos to show people how to do things. It's okay?
Okay.
It will be on. It will be
So we
broadcasted.
changed the spare, you know, we put
Yeah.
that on for them and everything.
So of course you will get more business.
And we live around the corner. Yeah, it's like yeah, exactly. Ugh.
Yeah, it's horrible. Yeah. How much is going to cost us?
15?
15.
Excellent.
Okay, thank you
Nice.
so much.
Thank you.
Dársela a su madre. Las reacciones de la madre son increíbles e impresionantes. Lo que le... Vamos a escuchar esta llamada y a también platicar contigo para ver qué piensas al respecto.
You know, in Malaysia, they always just plug them. And then when I came back here, the first tire that we had flat in Utah, I remember the man told us, you never do the plugs. They're very temporary. You always do a patch. And here, they always do patch. For tires. And put on. Where you do the whole thing. Okay.
Just a question. We live only like a mile away, 1 mile, not like half a mile away. If we call you, ask you to come to our place to take it off, repair, how much that would cost?
Probably $35, $40.
$35, $40. Okay, thank you so much.
Not bad.
So for all those people unable to do this by themselves, we have saved $20.
Well, yeah.
We have saved $20
But
today.
you know what? It could be. That's because we live close.
Yeah.
Here. If someone has to come out, so actually I recommend that people get a AAA membership because it's like $15 or something a year. And if you have that problem, they'll come and do roadside assistance. It's
Can I say again? $15 for what?
It's like $15 for a AAA membership, and they'll come out if you're on the highway anywhere.
Oh, that was
Anywhere
it. That
in
was
America, anywhere,
it. Okay.
because they're nationwide.
Okay.
So yeah, it's definitely worth it.
He's very nice. He even washed this tire for us, making it very clean.
Yeah,
There must be.
I think it was sealing. He was checking
This
it.
is a detergent water.
He was making sure though that the leak was gone.
Oh, he's not washing tire for
I don't
us.
think so. I think he was making sure the leak was.
Oh, I thought he was so nice to wash. Then we'll probably ask him to wash all the tires.
Maybe I should take her for a bath now. Maybe she deserves it. This is such a good car. I really love this car.
Yeah.
I really love this car.
Okay.
It's a very sweet little car, and it'll be Cammy someday.
So you're thanking me for that, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a lovely
But
car.
we made this car together
Yeah, we did.
by YouTube, by YouTube videos.
True.
Actually,
Cammy, I had told her.
she's gonna have this one.
I told her that. She was like, she says,
Yeah. Okay. I say it again. It's actually our YouTube channel bought this car for us.
at the truck,
Yeah, and the truck.
Honestly.
Yes.
and a couple of dinners.
Okay, things are done. I don't have my money with me.
I have.
Okay. Okay.
Change, okay? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that. Thank you so much.
And your phone number, please. It's for your commercial.
Oh,
Yeah.
702-633-0374.
Okay. Okay. This is the place we'll fix our tire in Las Vegas.
That's okay, I got it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
you.
Bye bye.
Why are you so mad?
No. The fair price is $15.
Yeah.
Why you give him 20?
Because I'm a nice person and I'm happy that he could do it right away.
But I saved that $20. I worked so hard. Tip, please. Tip. Oh, that's
I
more
didn't
than
kiss
20.
his
Then
hand.
I owe you money now. Okay. Okay. Thanks and goodbye.
All done. Yay. I love these guys. People don't give them enough appreciation. Can you imagine without this service? Oh.
Now our video how to change a flat tire happily ended. Thank you for watching.